What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Just Kidding channel. I know I haven't made a video for a long time, but I'm gonna just skip the explanation and just say I'm sorry. I've been trying to work on getting more acting gigs, so obviously that's more pressing. So obviously you can tell by the title of this video, I have full exhaust for my 240 that I forgot to put on the channel. Actually, I didn't really forget. Me and Ryan were trying to do the installation and it got really dark, and then from there you couldn't see anything when I was filming, so I just wind up scrapping that video. But anyways, I have the ETS Extreme exhaust, so now I have a full turbo back exhaust. So I have the 1320 Performance high flow cat J pipe, and then I have the ETS Extreme Catback. So it's basically straight piped from the back of the turbo all the way to the mufflers. I went all the way to the exhaust tips. I'm gonna start it up now because last time I drove it was last night, and you're gonna hear a cold start. It's very aggressive. It pops a lot. I'm gonna try to go to Harbor Freight to get stuff for my 240 for maybe the next couple of videos, and then I'll try to see if we can get like in-car footage of it popping. But this car is sick, so let me show you. So here's what it sounds like on the inside of the car. Not sure if you're gonna hear much, but this is a cold start from the inside of the car. It's at vacuum pressure is at 6 psi right now. Inside of the car is not that loud. Maybe it was louder at first because I guess the car wasn't used to it, but I do have the access port, so after I installed it, it sounded a little weird. I just reflashed the tune back to what it was supposed to be, and from there it got even more quiet. So let's go for a little drive, see if we can get some audio clips. Roll down the window a little bit. Now I don't expect the car to be extremely to pop because it's not warm. So a common question that I get when now that I have certain mods is that do I get any check engine codes, right? So occasionally, yeah, there are some rich codes that come up, obviously. But other than that, I don't think I get any other codes. I hope you guys can hear the popping because it is insanely loud. It is crazy loud. Just got my car clean so it smells super fresh. Really excited about that. I'll just put it like this. RPM's low, probably like less than 3 grand, and no noise. I just waved at a random BRZ guy. If you want a video similar to this,